Alright, so I went to this cookie place. Well, my wife made me. So I might as well do the review of these cookies here. I'm not going to eat them right now. I'm just going to show you what they look like. And I guess there's like a big weight for these. This is the box. There it is. These cookies are a big deal for some reason. So we get 3 for me, my wife, and my son. So I'm going to show you what they look like. Alright, this is the first one. Here it is. I think this is my son's cookies and cream. I'm going to say that's the one. It looks great. Yeah, it's got like Oreo cookie pieces in it. It looks amazing. Alright, what is this one? I think this is banana bread, dark chocolate pistachio. I think that's the one. Yeah, this one looks amazing too. Wow, they smell good. And here's the third one. They come wrapped up like this. It's pretty cool. All right. And what is this one? I have no idea what this one is, okay? But this is what it looks like, and it smells delicious. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments. Here's all 3 next to each other, next to one another. And this was from their Orlando store, because I'm currently in Orlando, Florida. So that's where I got these cookies from. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.